it's your girl Mercy Lena. Alright, we're here on the Saint Square Radio and we're here to witness the wedding ceremony of Juliet and Prince. You know, on this day they decided to tie the knots and they decided to say, yes, I do. Alright, don't go anywhere, don't go nowhere. Stay tuned while we show you around. Hi, it's your girl Mercy on the Saint Square Radio, and guess who we are here with? We are with the groom. Alright, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing today?
Very good.
Yeah, I can see you're doing really good. So tell me, you're excited, right?
I didn't get that.
You're excited.
Very excited.
A quick one, sir. A quick one. Okay, I want to ask you a few questions about your wife.
Okay.
Alright, I know she's your wife, so you should know a lot about her now, right? Alright, just tell us.
In a statement, I will just say she's just a full options.
Wow, full option. Did you hear that? Full option, babe. Okay, another quick question. What attracted you to her? Like when you saw her like this, what drew your attention to her? What makes you think that this is the one?
Wow.
Yeah.
A lot of things.
Okay, tell us few.
Okay, she's easygoing.
Wow.
God-fearing.
Wow.
That's most importantly.
She's God-fearing. Actually, it's good for your wife to be God-fearing, so she'll be praying for the family.
Of course.
Okay, so continue.
There's a whole lot. She's friendly. She's kind-hearted. She's lovely.
Wow.
Just like I said earlier, she's just full option.
She's full option, like everything in one, full package.
Overloaded.
And she's beautiful.
And she's extremely beautiful.
Wow, she's extremely beautiful. That's so sweet. All right, so
my prayer is that as God brought us together,
okay,
that the love that He has endowed us with will continue, and you know, I've always had this statement: there is no perfect marriage or couple, but I've always been and I've always had this expectation that mine will be different.
Wow.
So that's my one prayer, that our case will be different.
Hey, it's your girl Mercy still here. Okay. Guess what we have here? We have the bride, the beautiful, ethic bride. She's so pretty. Can you see her gown? Like, can you see? Like our husband earlier said, he said, the husband said, she's a full option. Indeed, you guys can see, right? That she's a full option, babe. You're pretty.
Thank you.
You're really, really pretty, trust me.
Thank you.
Hair on fleek, gown on fleek, everything on fleek.
Yeah.
Alright, how are you doing, Juliet?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Okay, a quick question. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Overwhelmed. Yeah.
I don't know, nervous. so too many emotions right now. I don't know. And I'm happy.
You're really pretty, trust me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, a quick one. Okay, what drew your attention to your husband? Like when you saw him, what makes you think, yeah, he's the one?
Okay. Well, I would say he's intelligent, he's hardworking, and he's God-fearing, because that's the most important. Nobody wants someone that you know, when you are God-fearing, there are things, you have limits to some things. Yes, so he's God-fearing and he's kind-hearted. That's very, very important, because when you build and being kind-hearted, that comes first for me on my list.
Wow, God-fearing and kind-hearted. He said something about you, like you said you to your God-fearing. Just I'm beginning to see this whole thing, like husband and wife, they're God-fearing. Alright, that's so sweet. Okay, just tell us a few things about him.
Okay. Yeah, I said he's hardworking, he's caring,
okay,
intelligent.
Okay. All right. What you saw when you like the people you saw downstairs, like what you're seeing now, is that what you were expecting? Like, is that your expectations for the wedding?
Well, I've not really been downstairs, but I've seen some people come up. Even some people I don't really know, but then I guess I'm overwhelmed.
Wow. All right, few prayers for your husband.
I pray that God blesses him and he'll be a good father to our kids. God will give him the grace to carry all of us on his shoulder, because he's not carrying just me. He's going to carry us and carry all our battalion that will give us.
Wow. All right, that's so nice. Once again, you're looking really beautiful.
Thank you.
Right, enjoy your day.
Yeah. Even though many people are trying to get me angry today, but I've decided I will not get angry today. It's my day. It's my happy day. It's my big day. It's the day every woman dreams of.
Can you rest on your feet and welcome the groom as he's stepping into the
Okay, hi, it's your girl Messi, still on the green carpet.
Did you hear me?
Hi, good afternoon.
I want to test you.
My name is Frank. Frank Okoye.
Okay, his name is Frank Okoye. How are you? What's your name, sir?
I'm Mr. Augustine.
Mr. Augustine. How are you doing this afternoon?
I'm good, and you?
Very fine, thank you. What about you, sir? How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Okay, a quick question. What's the relationship you and the couple? What's the relationship you have with them?
Well, he's my friend. We have been friends for some years.
Please, I know that.
Okay, it's the groom that is your friend.
Yes,
before you undergo this test,
the groom.
What about you, sir? What relationship do you have with the couple?
Well, the groom is my friend.
please
and the
hold this
brother
your
with
car.
him.
Go to your. The guy should sit down. This your father. And here, that's your mom. You remove your car and you down. That is how we do here. Greet your mother. Yes. Greet them. Yes. Where the groom is saluting everyone here.
I don't know whether it's the same tongue that I used to convince his wife.
Yes.
I don't know.
Right.
Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I feel
The guy
that.
can turn you. He can make you just the way you are to remove your clothes with his
You
tongue.
never start.
Oh,
You see this man? He's shaking his head. You never start.
are you serious?
You are
Okay, guess who I'm here with? I'm with the bride makeup artist. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, what's your name?
Astonish.
Astonish. Astonish. Astonish, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
So what's up? What's your relationship with the bride? Or did you just come to do her makeup?
No, she has been my client for the past 4 years.
Wow.
Yes. So I'm so happy that today she find me worthy to beat her face.
Aww.
Despite all the clients, all the referrals she has given to me, then today is a big day and she choose me to beat her face.
That's so sweet.
Yes.
So what's up? What's up? And just tell me little things you know about her that you've known her for a while now. So what little things you know about her? Just tell us.
Juliet is a selfless person. She's a girl that you can call up anytime and she'll answer you. Like she does a lot of marketing for me, even without me knowing that she has me in her mind. Then like I can just stay and somebody will just call me. Juliet gave me your number. I want to beat my face and all that.
Yeah.
So she's a sweetheart.
Oh, Juliet, your makeup artist said you're a sweetheart.
Yeah, in summary, she's a sweetheart.
And I have a sweetheart with me. How are you? Good evening.
Good evening, I'm fine, thank you.
All right, I'm Bessie. What's your name?
My name is Mrs. Oluwarotimi Esther.
Esther, what's up? A quick one. What's your relationship with the couple?
Oh, the bride is more of a sister to me. Yes, so we've come along from very far apart, right from childhood, so she's just a sister to me.
Wow. Okay. Watch up. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Like, you've been enjoying your environment, everything.
Yes, I'm actually having fun.
You're having fun. Okay, quick one. Just a quick prayer for the bride, for the couple. Sorry.
Okay, I wish them a healthy married life.
Amen.
A fruitful one, and their love is going to grow continually, year in, year out, and it will never fade.
Amen. Thank you so much.
You're
I'm fine. Oh, you're pretty. Thank you. Even without makeup, you look good. Alright, so what's your relationship with the couple?
The bridegroom is my brother.
Oh, your prince's sister.
Yes.
Okay, you should know anything about him. Just tell us what you think about him.
He's very nice. You always carry the old people around.
Wow.
She can help you as a little that moment. So I love my brother so much. And my mom loves him so much because he means everything to her.
Two prayers for the couple.
What I'm praying is that I pray that this marriage will last, bring happiness, joy, and everything you wish for your marriage.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Bye.
I am tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
My name is Tomorrow.
Wow, your name is Tomorrow. Okay, Tomorrow, how are you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Okay, guys. This is the brother of the bride.
Yeah, I'm also presenting our father.
And also representing our father. Wow, that's so nice and that's so sweet. How are you doing tonight?
Very, very perfect and happy.
And how are you feeling?
Very excited.
Wow. Alright, so what's up? The bride is your sister, so you should know few things about her. Just tell us little thing about her.
Actually, she was the last born of the house before we had our last born again. So she's someone that's very soft. She likes to be pampered. She doesn't look for trouble. Yeah, she's not a troublesome person. She's that soft. Yeah, so giving her out today, I'm happy that I'm giving her to someone that I can take care of her very well. Because she's my baby, she's my pet.
Oh, she's a baby. Wow, that's nice. So few prayers for the couple.
Yeah, I pray that God bless them, keep their marriage, bless them with children they should have, bless them with funds to take care of their children, bless them with food, everything they want. Blessings upon their family.
Amen. Thank you. Pretty. Thank you. Alright, my name is Messi. What's your name? Alexandra. Okay, you're pretty. So what's your relationship with the couple? It's my brother. Wow. You guys are really fun in your family. Okay, tell us a little bit about him. He's a nice guy. Very gentle, he's cool, and he's awesome. He's everything. Like he's my second dad. Oh, he's a second dad. So let's give them a little word of prayer. I mean the couple. I pray they will last forever. They will never go apart. Like the bond is forever. Alright, you're really beautiful. Messi, I'm still on the green carpet and I have here a beautiful damsel. How are you? Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
You're really beautiful.
Thank you so much. You're pretty as well. Thank you. I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you so much. Alright, dress on fleek, hair on fleek, makeup on fleek, everything on fleek.
Thank you. I mean, we can celebrate our friends, so we have to represent, you know.
So what's your name?
My name is Stephanie B. Croft.
Stephanie. So what's your relationship with the couple?
I have a relationship with the bride.
Okay.
Yes, she's a colleague and a friend. We've known for some time. She's the most jovial, most playful, most happy person you can ever come in contact with. Wow. Juliet is amazing, and I feel like Prince is so lucky to have her as a bride.
Wow, Prince, you're so lucky to have Juliet as your bride. Wow, that's so sweet. Okay, quick one, just a few prayer for the bride.
For the couple, right?
Yeah.
So I'm really praying that they have a fruitful home. They have a home that is filled with joy and laughter. I trust Juliet to bring that to the game. And I wish them money, plenty money.
Plenty money. Did you hear that? Plenty money. Amen. Amen. All right. Once again, you look beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy your.
Hello?